how to log in into University of Doha account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you feel comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in University of Doha login, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now, from this interface, head over to the second link that says sign in or apps.udst.edu.qa. Click on that. Then you will be directly taken into login page. On your interface, you will get a sign in prompt. So first of all, enter your valid email address associated with your account. And under that, enter your correct password associated with your account. Or in case you forgot your password, there is a link given that says forgot password. So click on this link, that is click here, and then follow some screen instructions, and that will help you out to recover your account. Or if you are a new user and you don't have an account yet, there is an option as sign up. Click on that. Again, follow some instructions, and after that you will have an account and you can again log in back with your account. After that, click on login button, and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log into University of Doha account. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. For watching till the end, I will see you in next video.